Get Smart is a self-help book written by Brian Tracy, a motivational speaker and author. The book aims to help readers think and act like successful people in their respective fields. The book begins by stating that success is not a matter of luck, but rather a result of deliberate planning and consistent action. Tracy argues that successful people possess certain habits and mindset, and by adopting these habits and mindset, anyone can achieve success. One of the main habits that Tracy identifies as being crucial to success is the ability to set goals. Tracy argues that successful people set clear, specific, and measurable goals, and they work consistently towards achieving them. He also emphasizes the importance of setting goals in all areas of life, including career, relationships, health, and personal growth. Another important habit that Tracy discusses is the ability to take action. He argues that successful people are not afraid to take risks and try new things, and they are willing to put in the hard work and effort required to achieve their goals. He also advises readers to focus on continuous learning and personal development in order to improve their skills and knowledge. Tracy also discusses the importance of time management and prioritization. He advises readers to make a list of their most important tasks and to focus on completing them first, rather than getting bogged down by unimportant tasks. In addition to these habits, Tracy also emphasizes the importance of a positive mindset and attitude. He argues that successful people have a can-do attitude and are optimistic and resilient in the face of challenges. Overall, Get Smart is a self-help book that provides practical advice and strategies for achieving success in any field. It encourages readers to adopt the habits and mindset of successful people in order to achieve their goals and reach their full potential.